If you run a handyman business, you already know that you're not just selling services, right? You're selling trust, reliability, and speed. Your website has to reflect that. A cookie cutter site with a few random photos and a phone number buried at the bottom, it just doesn't cut it anymore. Without a solid website, you'll miss out on local customers who are searching for, handyman near me. You'll get, fewer quote requests, and you'll look less professional than your competitors who have their online presence really dialed in. Your site should make it easy to see what you do, request a quote, check reviews, and actually contact you fast. So by the end of this video, you'll learn exactly which website builder will work best for your handyman business. And if you click away early, there's a good chance that you'll keep guessing and overpaying for a site that never really brings in any jobs. Handyman websites are different because your customers, they're usually having a problem right now and they want someone that they can trust quickly. They're not browsing for fun, right? They're trying to fix a broken door, a leaky faucet, or an outlet that stopped working. That means your website has to make it insanely easy to see what you do, where you work, and how to book you. You're also dealing with, local search, reviews, and photos of real jobs, not a big national brand with a huge marketing team. Now, choosing the right website builder, it isn't about fancy design. It's about making it simple to show your skills, get leads, and manage your business without spending hours learning the technology. Now, before we move forward here, I have to say, so if you're like me and you just don't have the time to research, dozens of website builders and you just want the best option for roughly 99% of handymen out there, go ahead and click this link right up here to try it for free with the absolute best pricing offer that I could find if you decide to upgrade in the future. Now, no pressure to click that link right now, of course, but it is there throughout the video if you need it. Now, with that said, let's go ahead and start with the website builder that's the best overall choice for most handyman businesses. All right, so Wix is the best overall option for most handyman businesses because it strikes a really nice balance between being easy to use, flexible, and powerful enough to grow with you. Now, if you're a handyman who wants a professional looking site, online booking, and the ability to show off before and after photos without hiring a developer, Wix is going to feel like a breath of fresh air. You get tons of templates where you can plug in your services like, door repair, drywall patching, or small electrical jobs, and customize everything with simple drag and drop tools. Handymen like Wix because it lets you set up contact forms, quote request forms, and even simple booking options so people can request a time slot without a bunch of the back and forth texts. You can highlight your service area, add a Google map, show customer testimonials, and even connect it to email or SMS so you don't miss leads. It also plays nicely with local SEO, so you can create separate pages for different clients or neighborhoods that you serve, which is huge for ranking in search. And the main limitations for a handyman are that if you want, super advanced custom features or very complex scheduling workflows, Wix can feel a little bit limited compared to a dedicated booking system. But for most, solo or small team handymen, it does more than enough. Pricing is usually in the low to mid monthly range, depending on whether you need online payments and extra features, which is reasonable considering you just need 1 or 2 extra jobs a month to cover it. Now, again, if you want to check out Wix for yourself by creating a completely free account, you can click right up here to sign up and learn more about how they can help you. And if you're someone who really cares a lot about having a clean, modern design that, makes your handyman brand look really premium, well, the next option here might catch your eye. Squarespace is best for handymen who want their website to look sleek and modern, almost like a high-end home services brand. So if you're targeting higher income neighborhoods, or you want to position yourself as, the polished professional rather than the cheapest guy in town, Squarespace's designs can help you stand out. The templates are very clean, photo heavy, and great for showing off your portfolio of completed jobs. So kitchens you've fixed up, decks that you've repaired, or small remodels that you've handled. Handymen like Squarespace because it's pretty straightforward to use, and the sites almost always look good on mobile without much tweaking. You can set up service pages, a contact form, and a simple, request a quote form quickly. Now, it's also nice if you care about consistent branding, so logos, colors, fonts, because Squarespace really makes the visual side feel very polished. There are some trade-offs though, right? So for most handymen, Squarespace isn't quite as flexible as Wix when it comes to adding, little custom features, experimenting with different layouts, or building more complex lead capture funnels. Squarespace can feel a little bit more, locked in, and its built-in tools aren't as versatile as what Wix offers for most everyday handyman needs. Pricing is similar to Wix though, usually in the mid-range, monthly fee. but you might get slightly less flexibility for the same money. But that said, if you want to check out Squarespace for yourself, there's a link for them in the description below, which will lead you to a special limited time offer that they're running right now for new customers. And if you're really more focused on keeping your costs as low as possible, especially when you're just getting started, well, the next builder here might be exactly what you need. Hostinger is really best for handymen who want to keep their monthly expenses as low as possible and don't mind being a little bit more hands-on with their website, right? So if you're comfortable with basic tech or you're willing to watch a few tutorials, Hostinger gives you very affordable hosting plus a website builder, which can be a great fit if you're in the early stages of your handyman business. It's especially appealing if you plan to stick with a simple site. So, homepage, services page, about page, and a contact quote form. Handymen, they like Hostinger because the pricing is often much lower than many of the all-in-one builders out there, especially if you pay annually. And you still get templates that you can adapt for local home services, and you can set up your pages to list services, share photos, and collect inquiries. Now, for someone who's trying to keep their overhead really tiny while they build up their client base, that lower monthly bill can really matter. Now, the limitations are mostly around ease of use and built-in features. So it's not quite as plug and play as Wix, and you may find yourself spending more time tweaking things or connecting extra tools manually. If you're not comfortable with tech at all, Wix is usually the better choice. The pricing, though, is really where Hostinger shines, right? It's typically on the low end of the market, which makes it a solid option if budget is your main concern. Now, if Hostinger sounds like it's the best fit for you, go ahead and check out the link in the description below, which also entitles you to a special deal that they're running right now for new customers. And if you're still not totally sold on any of these platforms, and you feel like you're still kind of shopping around, well, don't worry, because the next part of this video will show you exactly what to look for in a handyman website builder so you can pick the right one with confidence. So when you're choosing a website builder for your handyman business, there are definitely a few key things that you need to pay attention to so you don't end up stuck with a pretty site that doesn't actually bring in jobs. So first, you want ease of use. So you shouldn't need to be a web developer to change your pricing, add a new service, or upload photos of a recent project. If it takes hours to make simple changes, you'll stop updating the site, and a stale site can scare off potential customers. Second, make sure it has good local SEO tools. So as a handyman, your customers are searching in your area, so the builder should make it easy to create pages for different cities or neighborhoods near you, edit the page titles and descriptions, and connect to tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console. Third, look for strong mobile performance. So most of your customers are probably searching from their phone while they're standing in their kitchen, staring at a broken cabinet or something. Your site has to load fast and look great on mobile with clear buttons to call or request a quote. Fourth, built-in lead capture features are huge. So you want customizable contact forms, quote request forms, maybe even basic scheduling, or at least the ability to embed a calendar or a booking tool. The easier it is for someone to reach you, the more jobs you'll book. And finally, pay attention to pricing and scalability. So make sure that the plan that you pick can grow with you. Maybe you'll add an extra handyman to your team in the future, or expand your service area, or just start offering more specialized services. Your builder should support that without forcing a complete rebuild. But at the end of the day, all three of these platforms, they can work. But Wix is usually the best overall option for most handyman businesses because it gives you the right mix of simplicity, flexibility, and built-in tools to actually generate leads. So if you're tired of losing jobs to competitors because your online presence doesn't match the quality of your work, Wix is usually the easiest way to fix that without hiring a web designer. Again, you can click right up here to create a completely free account and start building a site that actually helps your phone ring. Now, if you have any questions for me, or you're a little bit confused and specifically questions about your business, no problem at all. Just drop me a comment below and I'll do my absolute best to help you out as soon as possible. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.